Hey, what's up guys, it's Kashif and this is the quick review of Xiaomi in-ear headphone Pro HD. So let's begin with the unboxing. Opening up the box, we get Mi in-ear headphone Pro HD, plastic box with the upper and lower lid, silicon hub network, 3 sets of earbuds, a user guide and a bag. The all-new Mi in-ear headphones Pro HD comes with a hybrid dual dynamic and balanced armature driver. The dual dynamic drivers keep the bass and mid-tones mellow and is made with the graphene material that pumps out the sound with the fuller and richer details. The balanced armature driver retains the rich detail of the high notes for the main melody, so you will get to experience tri-band equalization effect. Now it feels almost like you are in close to nature. To achieve a balance in the bass, mids and high audio ranges, Xiaomi included the dual dynamic and balanced drivers. The larger dynamic driver is responsible for the lower audio ranges, whereas the smaller dynamic driver takes care of the higher audio ranges. When the dual dynamic driver combined with the armature driver, sound produced are resoundingly richer and fuller. Voices and instruments have sound that reside the mostly in the mid and bass ranges. To deliver a superior sound in the mid and bass ranges, they have used a graphene dual diaphragm. Graphene is known to be the thinnest, strongest and most eco-friendly material which is able to transmit sound fast. They used it to create the diaphragm so it is more ductile under high frequencies, producing sound that are rich, sharp and crystal clear. With the help of capacitive divider, there is a higher convergence with the bass, resulting in lesser distortion to the music. So now tuning into the music feels like listening to a good story that touches the soul. A pair of well-designed headphones shouldn't just sound good but should also act like an ear accessory. The Mi in-ear headphone Pro HD has adopted a rounded and 45-degree angled in-ear design to fit the perfectly and deliver true music to your ears. It has precise cavity to structure calibration that lets the music sing better. It's also come with a highly stretchable TPE wiring that is hardy and durable. Talking more about 45-degree angled in-ear design, the Mi in-ear headphone Pro HD ergonomically designed to conform to the shape of your ear canal. The 45-degree angled in-ear design fits snugly and closes off to the environmental noise, so you can enjoy pure music without much external interference. Now talking about full metal wired control, it feels great on fingertips. The wired control is inspired by overall design of the headphone. It is great, it is dressed in full metal and line up with the highly stretchable matte wiring makes it sleek, compact and feels great on fingertips. Now let's talk about stretchable matte wiring. They specially selected TP with the elasticity similar to that of rubber as the raw material. It is environmental free, non-toxic and heat resistant. Now you have quality headphones that are durable, dirt resistant and has the tangle resistant wires to accompany you on longer music journey. There are the total of 4 soft and comfortable earbuds. To reduce the risk of developing ear skin irritation, they especially picked a medical grade silicone that is delicate, soft and gentle for the skin. Now let's jump into the most important part, which is my experience with this earphone. First let's talk about bass. The Xiaomi Mi in-ear headphone Pro HD sounds very good. It's full of mixture. I have also tested with some normal music and song, and I have to say that it sounds crystal clear, no issues with the sound clarity. The 70% volume for the audio is best for the best balance of bass, mids and highs. When you put the volume to 100% and when you put it into your ear, at that time you will not be able to listen to anything except the song. I have also tested the microphone for voiceover. I have recorded with this microphone and I am playing this right now. What's up guys, Kashif here and I am talking directly from Mi in-ear headphone mic, and this is without removing background noise. What's up guys, Kashif here and I am talking directly from Mi in-ear headphone mic, and this is with the removal of background noise. Now let's talk about where you can buy them. You can buy it from gearbest.com and it will cost you around $25.99, which is the best price for this earphone. Talking about custom duties, I didn't pay for the custom duties. In case you are thinking to buy a best earphone, this will be the best pick. If you want to buy, like always, best buy link are in the description. Go ahead and check it out. So that's that for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button and also let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And guys, do hit the subscribe button and also click on bell button to make me happy. Thanks for watching. My name is Kashif and I will catch you in the next one.